Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting tutorial on setting up V2Ray Slow DNS on VPN using the UDP Custom website. I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth and secure connection. Plus, we'll create your very own V2Ray Slow DNS server. So, stick around for that. Before we jump in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar. Press Enter, and from the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the home page, look for the menu icon. It's usually in the top corner and looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click it, and from the options that appear, select V2Ray Slow DNS server. On the next page, choose your preferred server location. After selecting a location, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. In seconds, your server will be ready. The server details will be displayed on the screen. Copy the V2Ray VMess details and save them for later. We'll use these in the next step. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type ZIVPN and press Enter. Once you find the ZIVPN app in the search results, tap on it to open its details page. Click the Install button to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it. On the home screen, check the box for V2Ray to activate the V2Ray VMess server settings. Then, click the settings icon at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select V2Ray. A new page will open. At the top, you'll see a small plus button. Click it, and this will automatically import your server details from the clipboard. Once the server is successfully imported, return to the home page and click the Start button to connect. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a V2Ray Slow DNS server and configured it on the ZIVPN app. Enjoy your smooth and secure internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.